I work alone. It tore me apart. But I learned an important lesson. You can't count on anyone, especially your heroes.
I was wrong to treat you that way.
Do it.
Papa, choose my right here on my back.
What's on your back?
The way it works.
Whoa.
Turns out there are a lot of people, whole countries who want respect, and they will pay through their nose to get
What
it.
are you doing?
I think I got rich. I invented weapons, and now I have a weapon that only I can defeat. And when I unleash it,
No!
you sly dog! You got me monologuing. I can't believe it.
What's the matter?
That's cool, huh? 0 point energy. Yeah, I save the best inventions for myself.
What's up, Mama?
Am I good enough now?
What's wrong?
Super, yeah. I'm super.
Is it a balloon in your butt?
Huh?
Do you have a balloon in your butt?
Huh?
Do you have a balloon in your butt?
Yeah?
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Say hi to Grandma.
Huh?
Say hi to Grandma.
Huh?
Say hi, Meme.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Granny.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Pa.
Hi, Pa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandma Miriam.
Hi, Grandpa Miriam.
Grandma Miriam.